Wrap the yarn around your index and middle fingers in an X. Hook with a chain stitch. Crochet 5 single crochet. First single crochet. Second single crochet. Third single crochet. Fourth single crochet. Fifth single crochet. Then we tug on the tail to close the hole in the middle of the work, just like magic. Hook with a slip stitches connection with the first stitch. Hook a turning chains, we begin to crochet the second loop. For second laps, we add 1 stitch every stitch. Add 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then the second loop is crocheted according to the rule. A total of 12 single crochet are crocheted. Hook a turning chains, we begin to crochet the third loop. These laps we crochet single crochet for every stitch through back loops only. Fourth laps we crochet single crochet for every stitch.